Good morning, children. After the explanation of the chapter Going to buy a book, we are going to do today textbook exercise. So, are you ready with the textbook exercise, children? Okay. So, we will start with the textbook exercise. Everybody open page number 142 of your textbook. First, we will read new words. First, we will do new words. A-L-O-N-E alone. A-L-O-N-E alone. B-O-O-K book. S-H-O-P shop. Book shop. M-A-C-H-I-N-E-S machines. M-A-C-H-I-N-E-S machines. F-I-N-A-L-L-Y finally. F-I-N-A-L-L-Y finally. C-L-I-M-B-E-D climbed. C-L-I-M-B-E-D climbed. So new words alone, bookshop, machines, finally climbed. Now we'll do the textbook exercise. Reading is fun. Reading is fun. Question 1. Why did grandfather give the children money? Why did grandfather give the children money? The grandfather gave the children money to buy books. Grandfather दादाजी ने बच्चों को पैसे क्यों दिए? Why did he give? To buy books. To buy books. So the answer is in the question only. You will start how? Grandfather gave the children money to buy books. To buy books. In the last it is what? To buy books. B-O-O-K-S books. Second question. Where did they go to buy books? Where did they go to buy books? किताबें खरीदने के लिए वे कहाँ गए? They went to the small book shop to buy books. कहाँ गए वो लोग? Small book shop to buy books. छोटी सी दुकान में गए थे किताबें खरीदने के लिए. Third question. Did the girl buy a picture book? Did the girl buy a picture book? क्या लड़की ने चित्रों वाली किताबें खरीदी थी? No, the girl did not buy a picture book. She bought a story book. उसने क्या खरीदी? पिक्चर बुक नहीं खरीदी वो लड़की ने. वो लड़की ने क्या खरीदी? कहानी की किताब. She bought a story book. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Let's talk. Is there a bookshop near your house? If there is, do you like to visit it? अगर आपके घर के पास किताबों की दुकान है या शॉप है तो आपको ख़रीदनी है वो या फिर आप वहाँ पे लाइक टू विजिट इट, आपको वहाँ पे जाना पसंद है. सो क्या तुम्हारे घर के नज़दीक किताब की दुकान है? यदि है तो क्या तुम वहाँ जाना पसंद करते हो? This is the question. The answer is yes, there is a small bookshop near my house and I visit it weekly. छोटी सी दुकान है वहाँ पे और मैं हमेशा वहाँ पे विज़िट करती हूँ. Now the next question. What are the different kinds of books in this bookshop or in any other bookshop you have seen? Tell the class. What is the question? इस किताब की दुकान में क्या किसी दूसरी किताब की दुकान में जो आपने देखा है? कौन सी किताबें हैं? कौन सी किताबें हैं बुक शॉप में? There are different kinds of books in the bookshop, right? In the bookshop there are different kinds of books which is close to my house, जो मेरे घर के नज़दीक में है. One can get their picture books, story books, novels. वो जो दुकान है जो मेरे घर के करीब में है वो दुकान में क्या मिलती है? डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बुक्स, सब अलग अलग भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के, जैसे नॉवेल्स है, पिक्चर बुक्स है, स्टोरी बुक्स है. Okay, now we'll go to the next page. Look at the sentences in this story. Look at the sentences in these stories. Should we go to the big market? Should we go to the big market? Should we go to the small shop? Should I buy thin books? The colored words above are describing words. The colored words above are describing words. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in more describing words into the passage below. Now you can see here the passage is given. We have to fill it up in the passage, the describing words. We have to fill up the describing words in the passage given below. Okay, so shall we start? Right. The exercise is, it was a dash night. So it was a dark, D-A-R-K, dark. It was a dark night. It was a dark night. A little girl sat up in bed listening to her mother tell a story, short story. So what will you write over here? A little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little girl. In the blank you will write a little girl sat up in bed listening to her mother tell a story. Blank is there, so it will be a short, S-H-O-R-T, short, S-H-O-R-T, short. Her dash eyes open wide. Her beautiful eyes open wide. So B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, her beautiful eyes opened wide. And she gave a smile. She gave a lovely smile, L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely smile. Now go to sleep, Paro. Her mother closed the book. Sweet dreams, S-W-E-E-T, sweet dreams. So once again we will read the paragraph. It was a dark night. A little girl sat up in bed listening to her mother tell a short story. Her beautiful eyes opened wide and she gave a lovely smile. Now go to sleep, Paro. Her mother closed the book. Sweet dreams. Imagine that you will go to the bookshop tomorrow. What will you do there? Write 5 sentences beginning with. 5 sentences beginning with. So first you will write what we will do. So I shall go through several books. What will you write? I shall go through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through several books. Then next, I shall read a few of them. Next is read a few of them. Then next, I shall select some books of my choice. I shall select few books of my choice. Few books of my choice. I shall buy them. I shall B-U-Y, buy them, T-H-E-M, them. And the last, I shall return home and read them. Return home and read them. And read them, T-H-E-M, them. Okay, now we'll go to the next page. Next page is what? Tina goes to a school library to borrow a book. What happens? टीना कहाँ जा रही है? स्कूल लाइब्रेरी किताब बोरो करने के लिए. कंप्लीट हर डायलॉग्स विद द लाइब्रेरियन. यहाँ पे डायलॉग्स बातचीत हो रही है लाइब्रेरियन के साथ और टीना के साथ, और यहाँ पे ब्लैंक्स दिए गए हैं. हमें उसमें एंड या फिर और ब्लैंक्स में लिखना है. हमें एंड या और ब्लैंक्स में लिखना है. So shall we start? Okay, children. Tina, ma'am, I want to borrow a book. Tina, ma'am, I want to borrow a book. Librarian, do you want a story book or a books of poem? Do you want a story or books of poem? So it will be or a book of poem. A book of poem. I want a story book. Tina says, I want a story book. Librarian, do you like story about animals or adventure stories? Or adventure stories? Or adventure stories? Tina, I like both. Librarian, go in the second cupboard. On the first shelf, you will find animal stories. You will find animal stories and on the second adventure stories and on the second adventure stories. Tina, after selecting two books, what happened? Tina selecting two books. Ma'am, I want Black Beauty. Ma'am, I want Black Beauty and Panchtantra stories. Librarian, you can have either Black Beauty or Panchtantra stories. Here, now you can see there is a nice conversation between Tina and the librarian. Tina went to the library room and she asked for a book to the librarian of different type. So there were so many books, so it was very hard for Tina to select. So the librarian is asking Tina, giving the options, which type of book you want to read, which type of book you like. Then like that they're discussing, and then lastly Tina decided she wanted two books, Black Beauty and Panchtantra. But the librarian teacher who was there, she said she can take only one book. Now next, what is your favorite book? Write down the name of the book, then write down the story. Here you have to name the favorite book which is yours. You have to write the name of the book and then you have to say the stories. Okay, now we'll make a bookmark. Now it is what? Remember to treat your books well. Yes, you should always try to keep your book in a good condition. Never fold the corners of the pages. जो corners of the pages के वो हमें कभी भी मोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. This makes books look shabby and old. इस तरह से हमारी किताब बहुत ही गंदी लगती है. A bookmark help you to find the page you were on when you last read your book. Here is the way to make your own beautiful dove bookmark. Here it has been show you how to make a bookmark of dove. Here it has been said that always take care of your books, never to fold the pages, and be very careful that you should take more and more care of the books. Now next, let's cover your book. This is also one type of exercise. Here you should always cover your books. How much as you take care of your book, you cover the book, your book will look beautiful, it will long last, it won't tear off also easily, it will look very nice. So you should always cover the book. Now it is a question, do you know, आपको पता है, do you know, the earliest books were written by hand. पुराने ज़माने में किताबें हाथ से लिखी जाती थी. 2000 years, 2 साल पहले की बात है इंडिया में. ब्रिच बार्क, भोजपत्र एंड पाम ट्री, तालपत्र व यूज फॉर पेजेस. ये जो दो नाम है वो पेजेस बुक में पेजेस की तरह यूज़ होते थे. ए पेन एंड अ ब्लैंक इंक वर यूज टू राइट ऑन बर्च बार्क. और पेन, ब्लैक पेन क्या यूज़ होता था? एक पेन और एक ब्लैक इंक, इस पे लिखने के लिए हम यूज़ करते थे. और शार्प आयरन स्पाइक वॉज यूज फॉर राइटिंग ऑन पाम लीव्स. और दूसरा क्या यूज़ करते थे? एकदम शार्प आयरन स्पाइक उस पर लिखने के लिए. Holes were drilled through the leaves and the book was held together by a string. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर साइड में होल्स है और डोरी की मदद से उसके पेजेस हम टाई करते थे. So this is the way in olden days the books were made on the leaves of the tree. Special leaves is there. Special leaves is there on which you can write and make the book in olden days like that. And a pen and a black ink was used to write on those pages. Then what they used to do, they used to put holes and tie it with a string, and like that books were made. Okay, so dear children, you have to do this exercise in your textbook with your good handwriting, and in the next session we will do question answer, words meaning and new words. So complete this exercise in your textbook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.